Thinking about buying a home in Charlotte, North Carolina? Well, if you're scrolling through Zillow, you're probably seeing a lot of mixed signals. You have headlines that are predicting market shifts on one side, and then on the other side, you are seeing homes that are still receiving multiple offers. The reality of the Charlotte 2026 housing market is simple. Prices are stabilizing, inventory is tight even though it is rising, and if you are waiting for a massive market crash, then it will cost you more in the long run. If you want to buy a home here without overpaying and without losing your sanity, you need a localized strategy. Today, I am breaking down the exact step-by-step blueprint to buying a home right here in the Queen City this year. From budgeting to neighborhood selection, let's get right into it. Step number 1, understanding the real numbers. Right now, the median price point for the Charlotte region is around $425,000. But Charlotte is a region that is made up of a wide range of different price points. If you want to live in the popular hot areas such as South End, Plaza Midwood, or Dilworth, price points can easily start at the $600,000 and go well into the millions. If your budget is under $450,000, you'll get more square footage and value by looking at high growth areas such as University City, Steele Creek, and popular suburbs like Matthews and Concord. Before you even look at a home, your first move is not Zillow. It is getting a hyper local pre-approval. Why local? Because local lenders are well known amongst the real estate agents here in the region, and they can help you have a smoother closing period while closing on time rather than having a nightmare situation for your home purchase. And lastly, they can offer more leverage when it comes to facing competitive offer situations. Step number 2 is what I call the pocket strategy. So many people will often tell me, I want to live in South Charlotte, but South Charlotte is made up of a variety of different areas, neighborhoods, and zip codes. For example, the Ballantyne area is completely different than living in the South Park area or living in Quail Hollow. When buying a home in the Charlotte region, you have to look at the area in small pockets, not just zip codes. And other factors to consider from this pocket of town may include your work commute, or lifestyle, and ultimately your budget from the pre-approval. Don't just buy a home because you love the kitchen, because that neighborhood could put your commute up to an hour distance away, and you may end up regretting that move, unless you're moving from high traffic areas in California or DC. Pick 3 target pocket areas within the region that fit your lifestyle first, and then narrow it down by the features of the home. Step number 3, before you say yes to the address, is understanding how North Carolina real estate contracts work. Because North Carolina is a unique state, we have 2 specific fees that you would pay up front once your offer is accepted: the due diligence fee and the earnest money deposit. The earnest money is standard. It goes into an escrow account and it protects you if the seller defaults. The due diligence fee is cash paid directly to the seller, and it allows them to take their home off the market so that way you can do your inspections and appraisal. If you walk away from the contract or purchase for any reason, the seller does keep the due diligence fee. And the ultimate good news is that both the earnest money deposit and the due diligence fee goes towards your closing cost at the time of closing. In a balanced market that we are seeing right now, you do not need to risk tens of thousands of dollars in due diligence deposits and earnest money fees, also depending on the price point. But you do need an experienced agent who knows how to structure these fees competitively while protecting you and showing the seller that you are serious. On average, it does take about 30 days for a home to go from contract to close. So once we complete the inspections and the appraisal, then we are on our way to the closing table. Buying a home in a fast-growing city like Charlotte is a smart way to build long-term equity. But you win here by moving systematically and not emotionally. If you are planning a move to Charlotte and you would like a step-by-step roadmap tailored to your budget and lifestyle. Let's talk. Me and my team, we help buyers navigate the market every single day. Drop a comment below or send me a text or email for your no pressure game plan strategy session. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more local market updates, and I'll see you on the next video.